Why are you not showing me my notifications? Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Bruce Wang. In today's video, we're gonna go over my dividend investing, specifically the Robinhood Investment Challenge. For anyone brand new to the channel, welcome. The Robinhood Challenge is something that I created a few months back, about 7 months ago. Basically, every week I deposit $100 into my Robinhood account. I try to grow my portfolio as big as I can, selling, trading, mostly collecting dividends. Right now, I'm gonna jump right into my screen recording on my computer because the Robinhood app is not showing me my notifications. Robinhood, you're really messing up. You're supposed to be showing all my notifications here. Oh, I forgot to take off my AirPods. So, I have 8 rewards left. When you sign up with Robinhood, you get a free reward and I get a free reward. And I have 8 unclaimed rewards here. I'm gonna open them all up as I do, as a tradition. I'm trying to get that Apple stock, Berkshire Hathaway stock, the rare ones. As a side note, a reward limit to $500 total per user. So $500 is the maximum that you can get for real rewards. So thank you, Ben W. I'm gonna open, this is a pretty cool trick. I'm gonna open the one right here. So, congratulations, I got Zanga yet again. Congratulations! So, reward number 2, let's get it. Let's pick this one. Try to do this quick for you guys. And, am I seeing things? I got Zanga again, just like last time. Let's keep it moving. Thank you, Austin. So, you can't really scratch these. And here I got AK Steel for $2.83. Let's move on to Skylar O. And that last one moved really fast, so I didn't catch that. Let's move on to, I think there's a Korean name, Jun Hyung, I believe. So let's pick this one on the right. And wait for this to load up. I got one. Wow, this is the most expensive and the rarest stock that I've ever gotten, guys. Snapchat, $11.35. Can you believe it? Damn. Who would have been so happy for $11.35? So thank you, Jun Young, for using my code. I'm gonna open this one from Dylan. So this is really slow for whatever reason. I got 1 share of Groupon for $3.56. Let's keep it moving. Matthew R, thank you for using that link, baby. And let's gonna let this load real quick. And I got 1 share of Zanga, $5.33. Let's continue on with the video. I have just the last one. Who thinks that this is gonna be Apple stock or Berkshire Hathaway stock? Let's guess that it's gonna be another Zanga stock because that's the one I got the most, I think. So I'm gonna claim this one and open this one here on the right. And let's see what I get. Zanga. Who called it? I guessed it right. So I got Zanga stock, $5.34, and let's continue on to Robinhood. So now I'm going to switch back onto my phone because it's a lot easier to read than if I'm doing it on this screen here. So after opening up all those rewards, I got a bump of $43 on my account. Just before this, you could see that my account was only $3,800. And for today, I'm up $63, 1.6% on my portfolio. On the week, I'm doing all right. Just because of all those rewards, though, that really helped me out. So right now, I'm up 2.2% to $82. Onto the month chart, I'm up 6.8%, $250. On the 3-month chart, this is where I'm up the most on the 3-month chart, 25%, $751. On the year, I'm up 22%, $700. And on the all-time chart list, I'm up 7%, $250. A lot of you guys are here because of the monthly dividend video. If you look back onto that video, I was down almost $300. It took me a long time to get me back into the green. I lost a lot of money trying to day trade penny stocks. That's not the way that I'm planning to invest anymore. My new strategy is dividend stocks and growth stocks. So you're welcome to join me on this journey. Let's take a look at some of the buys I've done today. So a great example for a growth stock that I've been invested in for the last few months is Yeti. I got a lot of slack. I got a lot of crap for this when I first jumped into it. A lot of commenters were saying how it was such a bad idea. But let's take a look at the charts. 1 share is about $30 on the week. It's down 2.2%. On the month, it is up 23%. On the 3 months, it's up 100%. So I don't think I got in 3 months ago. I got in just like a month or two ago. This is a really new company still. Just got listed October 25th, 2018. So it hasn't been on the stock market for a long time. But right now I own 4 shares. My total average cost is $22.26. And if you look at the total returns, you can see why a lot of people decide just to go into growth stocks alone. The returns that you can get are a lot higher. My total return is at $30 just for owning 4 shares, 35% return on my investments. If I can make these types of small gains on just a few stocks month after month after month, I believe my account is going to grow exponentially if I can do that. So some very basic stats for this company. Market cap is $2.5 billion. This is a small cap stock. The 52 weeks high is $34 and the 52 weeks low is about $12. So if I were to sell this stock, I would most likely wait for it to reach somewhere close to its all-time high, which is about maybe $43, $42. That's probably a good time for me to sell. If you guys don't know what Yeti is, basically they sell very premium coolers. I did not know there was a market for this type of thing, but a lot of people like to keep their beverages cool. A lot of people that like to go fishing, they like to keep their catches in there, keep them live, keep them fresh. Basically, this is like the iPhone for all coolers. And they're starting to sell a lot more merchandise. Now this company is starting to branch out a little bit more, selling like backpacks with coolers integrated in them, t-shirts, hats, merchandise, stuff like that. So they're really trying to capitalize on their premium name. If you went to look at their website to see how expensive their coolers are, you would be amazed like how premium they are. So I'm invested in a few growth stocks, not that many, but Yeti is one of the staples in my portfolio, about 2% of my portfolio. Today Yeti was down 1 or 2%, so I thought it would be a good time for me to buy another share. I bought 1 share for $29, and this is how I plan to keep investing, little by little. I don't have a big bank account that I can just keep throwing stacks of cash in here, so I'm just gonna be investing little by little, growing my account. Before I buy my next stock, if you guys are enjoying the video, don't forget to leave me a like down below. Thanks. So now I'm moving on to one of the bigger staples in my portfolio, the monthly dividend stock, and the one that I am mostly invested in right now is called Prospect Capital. It is down quite a lot since I purchased my 200 shares, so right now I want to average down, so I'm gonna purchase more shares so that my average cost will go down. So as we can see that my average cost right now is $6.71, and PSEC right now is worth $6.55. If we look at the total returns, I'm actually down $33, about $34. So right now I'm gonna buy 10 shares at market price. That is about $65.40. I have about $122 left for my investments this week, so this is gonna take half of that out. And if you do in market order, those will get filled right away. So I purchased 10 shares at $65.50. The highest PSEC has gone in the last 3 months or so is about $6.93. The lowest it's gotten since is about $6.38. So I'm gonna play around in this range. I'm gonna try to buy around the $6.54 range. And when the price does go up, that's when I'll sell those 10 shares and try to get my average cost down. So not only that, I'm able to collect dividends just from holding these shares. So as we can see here on April 18th, I'm gonna be getting paid $12 in dividends. On March 21st, I got paid $11 in dividends. And February 21st, I got paid $9.36. So I've been holding this company for about 3 months. Another company that I've been averaging my way into is AT&T. This company, I don't think that they have that much growth potential. If we look at the 5-year chart, you can see that the trend is going down like crazy. But this company pays very good dividends. Their dividend yield is 7%. A lot of analysts and a lot of YouTubers are saying that this dividend yield is not sustainable. So this could be risky if you decide to jump into this stock just for AT&T's dividend. But I'm slowly averaging my way in and trying to be very careful. Right now, my total equity is $160, and my average cost is $31.32. I'm just gonna buy 1 share. It's not a lot. I'm just slowly investing my money. This is minimal risk if you're investing very small amounts. over a long period of time, because you can see where the trends are going when you're invested for a much longer time. And if AT&T's stock price just starts to crash for whatever reason, my position is very small still, and I can slowly sell them off, and I might be able to write some of that loss off on my taxes. So very minimal risk. That's how I like to invest. And when there is minimal risk, there's also not that much return. So just be aware of that as well. This is going to be the last stock that I purchased this week. It's called AGNC Investments. If you've been following the channel for a long time, you know that I'm heavily invested into this stock as well. 67 shares. Equity is about 1,200, and my average cost is $17.99. So I'm just going to buy one share here. This company is also a monthly dividend stock, so let me show you how they're paying their dividends. So on April 9th, I'm going to be getting $12 in dividends. The last time they paid me was March 11th. I got $11.34. And before that, on February 11th, I got $10.80. So, there are companies that pay monthly dividends. Depending on the type of investor you are, you might lean towards monthly dividends, you might lean towards like quarterly dividends, or you might lean towards companies like Yeti that they don't pay any dividends at all. So there's 0 dividends paid out here, and all their profits they reinvested back into the company, and that's how they grow their companies, and that's the type of incentives that other investors might also like. So that concludes all of my rewards. I've received $500 in free stocks from Robinhood now. I get a lot of hate for that, and I don't know where that's coming from. Those are the tools that are available to me, and I'm just taking advantage of it. And for anyone who can't understand that, I don't really know what to say. For anyone who's been with me since the beginning, hopefully you guys have learned something and made some money along the way. I know a lot of you guys have made money. There has been a few subscribers who've gotten Apple and who've gotten Microsoft. So shout out to you guys. You guys are very, very lucky. I wish you guys much more success. Some takeaways for this video: investing in the stock market, there's no guaranteed money. Whenever you invest, there is a risk that you will lose money. So what I like to do is invest for the long term and invest consistently. I'm not here throwing thousands of dollars into the stock market when the stock market is at all-time high. That's just not the best idea. I'm just investing what I can, little by little. I'm trying to get a lot of small wins consistently over a long period of time. I'm not here trying to win the lottery all with one trade. So hopefully you guys learned a little bit from this video, and thank you guys for watching. Check out some of my other content. It's amazing. Like the video if you haven't liked it. Subscribe for more content just like this. 3 videos a week right now, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.